What's up, boys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. So today we kind of have a little fun video. I'm gonna do a little bit of a meal prep for the week because I started work up again because I work at a gym, so we're kind of like the last ones to open, I guess. With that being said, I need to have meals prepped so I'm not snacking the whole time, you know what I'm saying? I just am gonna do kind of like a small one, not much that I really need, just kind of a protein and like a carb for the week. I don't really prep my veggies. Sometimes I will. It's a lot more convenient when you do, but they get soggy. I have just a little meal prep. We're gonna cook up some chicken and quinoa and rice. But I think this week I'm gonna kind of gear more towards plant-based a little more. I kind of test things out on how I'm feeling, the old stomach is feeling. And then we have a Trader Joe's haul because I made the trip this month, so we'll do that. I didn't get a ton. I got kind of more of frozen refrigerated foods. Let's get into the video. The first thing that I did get at Trader Joe's was the pollo asado chicken. I'm gonna pop it into the Instant Pot for 15 to 16 minutes. Alright, so now that we have that going, make some quinoa. If I'm on the go and I'm bringing a salad with me, I can just throw it on there and it doesn't have to be hot or anything. So life hacked when you're cooking quinoa. Sometimes if you're not attending it properly, it sticks to the bottom of the pan. So I just kind of spray some olive oil spray on the bottom. Romaine lettuce from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to cut this up. I'm wondering how training is going for y'all. Because I'm all over the place. I went too hard in the beginning. Major rest days. Next I just have 3 red potatoes. I've converted to red potatoes because sweet potatoes are kind of getting a little old for me. If you haven't gone back to the gym yet, I suggest you kind of take it slow when you do because homegirl was like, alright, we're getting back into deadlift, back into the squat rack. That didn't work so well for me. I didn't walk the next day. I don't really know if I'm enjoying this whole cooking video because I'm kind of all over the place. Cut these boys straight away from potatoes for the longest time because I was like, yep, those are starchy. Not good for you. In sweet potatoes there are more nutrients and vitamins than the regular potato, but overall they pretty much have the same carbs to calorie range. I am currently on and off tracking macros. We got a love-hate relationship with tracking macros because it can be extremely beneficial, but then other times it's like a pain in the rear end. So now that we have all of our potatoes prepped, I'm just going to throw them in this plastic bag because we're probably going to cook them up tonight. I'm going to do the same with the lettuce as well. Alright, so I got these 2. Now I'm going to start the Trader Joe's grocery haul because I didn't think it through and I have the frozen foods and refrigerated foods falling out. The first thing that I picked up were the premium salmon burgers. Heard a lot of good things about them. 100 calories per burger, 3 carb, 3 fat, 15 grams of protein. And next thing I got were the mahi mahi burgers. They're actually really good. And next I just picked up these shredded potato hash browns. I'm not really a hash brown type of girl. So the chicken is done. Now if you have an Instant Pot, you just have to So if you have an Instant Pot, you basically just have to twist the knob, it steams out and vents, and let it be on low for 10 minutes. I love these bowls oh, they're so good. Rice cauliflower bowl. They have cauliflower, tahini sauce, there's chickpeas, sweet potatoes, baked tofu, and roasted onions. If I'm on the go or something and I need just something quick, I'll just throw this into the microwave and we are good to go. Honestly, picked up 3 bags of cauliflower gnocchi. I love it. I eat it all the time. Super good in the air fryer if you have an air fryer. Bag of cooked large shrimp. Went the wrong way because cooked shrimp is more tender when you cook it. You gotta get the frozen raw shrimp. And I was like, what? These are new there. Cauliflower thin, like a delicious versatile bread substitute. So it looks like this. Pizza crust it looks like. Organic tofu. This is in the teriyaki flavor. This one is super good. These are my favorite sausages. Italian sausage. You kind of gotta be careful when you're looking for vegan sausages just because they can be filled with a lot of stuff that is not needed. Relatively okay for you. Only 1 gram of saturated fat. That's kind of what I look for in vegan meat. Some coconut creamer. yeah, rice cauliflower. Sometimes I'll do this in place of rice, or I'll just mix the two. Another one of those baked tofu. This one is the sriracha kind, and this one is a little spicier, but it's good. Just to try if you guys are tofu eaters. I know a lot of people aren't. They don't like the consistency. Just eat it. It's food. And then I got the organic buffalo style hummus. I don't have a ton of snacky foods, as you can see. I'll use this as a snack. If I do like buffalo chicken wraps, I'll like spread this on it, and that's super good. Carrots, maybe romaine hearts, because they're good for salads when you're quick on the go. Crumbled feta cheese, Mediterranean herb flavored. This is super good. I like sprinkle it on my salads, or I'll put it in those buffalo wraps too. Sorry I'm not being as talkative today. I'm just kind of a little tired. The chocolate raspberry kind are my favorite kind. And also, if you stay tuned to this part of the video and you didn't skip over me blabbering, I am going to do a giveaway soon once I get like either 2,500 followers on Instagram or 3,000, because that'd be kind of cool. Definitely our bars are going to be in there. I'm going to throw a lot of my favorite snacks in there. If you did stay to this part of the video, tag your friends. Next, bag of baby potatoes. I've been on a potato grind lately. If you love almond milk, you are a non-dairy milk drinker, Trader Joe's vanilla unsweetened almond milk is the best almond milk, hands down. I'm not kidding. The sweet chili sauce, it's super good on stir fries. Whitney uses it. Authentic salsa, we're gonna see how that goes because I love salsa, and this is $1.99. I just picked up 2 more of the everything but the bagel. You never know. I ran out right in the midst of shutdowns. Everything but the elope seasoning. I don't know what it is. Salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. We'll see how that goes because I hate cheese. This is like one of the things I was most excited for. Ground espresso blend. I just got a latte maker. I'm saving so much money. Man, I spent a lot of money. Guys, that's the end. Wait, I have one more thing I'm going to show you. I got a fiddle. A fiddle leaf ficus. This is the best purchase that I've made. We're so excited for her. I don't know how I forgot to show you this. Coconut whip topping. Heck yeah. It's kind of sprayed in my mouth, I'm not gonna lie. That finally concludes the Trader Joe's haul. So now that everything's cooked up, I just have glass bowls that I'm going to put them in. La, la, la. Yep. That looks like it's the end of the video because we're all wrapped up. That meal prep honestly took me less than 2 hours. That's actually pretty good. I do recommend if you are looking for like a carb source, cut your sweet potatoes up and then throw them in the oven with salt and pepper, taco seasoning on sweet potatoes. So good. 400 degrees for about 30-35 minutes, and then you are all set. I know I didn't prep any veggies, but I'm a huge veggie eater. Other than that, I think I have everything prepped. I really hope you got some tips and tricks from this. I don't prep out like my meals like bowl throughout the week. Just kind of throw everything together morning of. I find that easier for me making new recipes because I cannot eat the same thing every single day in a row. I do not know how Dory. Hi. I do not know how dogs do that, people do that, I don't know. But whatever works, whatever fits in your schedule. I hope you enjoyed the Trader Joe's haul too, got some ideas. If you ever go, what you ever want to get, it's pretty fun there. People are like, why do you like it so much? I'm like, it's like a grocery store, but like aesthetic groceries. Like always, thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Dana. Health, fitness, that's it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're already here, just do it. Why not, you know? Help your girl out. Heck yeah. And I will see you guys later.